Hey, guess what? Mike Foster here. It's another Mike Eats the Street. Today, I'm going to go back to a place that I've been to before, Del Taco, but I'm going to try their plant-based meals. It's called Beyond Meat. So they have this flavored, seasoned plant-based pseudo meat, and I'm going to get one of their tacos and one of their burritos. Also, I'm going to get some tostadas for my wife. And even if it's not the plant-based stuff, there's a lot of vegan and vegetarian options at a lot of places if you just get things like beans and veg. But enough of that. Let's eat the street. Hey, how you doing? Do you got the Beyond Meat stuff?
We do, yes.
Can I have one Beyond Taco and an Beyond 8-layer burrito?
Okay.
And two crunch tostadas? You got those?
We do.
Okay, that's all I want.
Any drinks for today?
No drinks. Can you repeat that? Make sure I got it right.
Yeah, I got the Beyond Taco, Beyond Burrito, and the 2 tostadas.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we got the Beyond Meat. This is the burrito. And this is a taco. Let's start off with the burrito. Now, it's not meat. Let's try it. All I can taste is beans, but if that's meat in there, it tastes pretty darn good. Let me try another bite. Let's take a look at it. Can you see anything in there? Oh, there's something in there. I gotta tell you, I like it. Cameraman, can I have a napkin? It's okay, you can turn. Let's try this other one. This is, so this is a taco. You see the taco? It's got tomatoes, it's got cheese, it's got lettuce, it's got the Beyond Meat. This is the Beyond Meat right here. That stuff right there. All right, well, let's see if it's beyond edible. Here we go. I took a big bite. Seasoned? I gotta tell you, I can't tell the difference. It tastes great. It's healthier for you. Watch the sodium. I give thumbs up for both of these. Check out other Mike Eats the Streets. I got dozens of them. And check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
You guys where are they on the menu? I don't see them.
I don't know. This year.
Oh, there it is. I see them. I think I'm beyond help. Now I need two because it just fell out of the floor. Look what it did to my foot here. Show what it did to my foot. You get it out of there. We'll clean that up more. All right.
Did you already tell them what's in it?
No, honey, I'm fine with it.
Okay, because I don't know what you're even eating.
Keep that running while I take a funny bite this time. Ready? Haha. That's all I got, sweet bamboo. Let me sit up for a second. I got a picture of the cameraman running away.